Hello everyone, a very good afternoon and warm welcome. It is the IDFC First Bank Vijay Hazare Trophy 24-25 semi-final number 1 from the Kotambi Stadium in Vadodara. It's a biggie. It's Haryana versus Karnataka. Beautiful Baroda Cricket Association Stadium in Kotambi. State-of-the-art facilities over here. This is how Karnataka has reached over here. Just the one loss to Hyderabad in the group stage, then won by 5 runs, mighty close to the quarterfinals. They hit away from being out of the tournament. And today here they are to play the semi-finals. The defending champions Haryana on the other side started with the loss to Gujarat. After that, won many games on the trot with dominance. Then 72-run win in the pre-quarterfinals against Bengal. And mighty close, 2 wickets against Gujarat in the quarterfinals. And here they are for the big semi.
Ankit leading Haryana, Mayank Agarwal leading Karnataka, and Shakti Singh is the match referee. Ankit will spin the coin.
Heads.
Head is the call.
Heads is the call.
And head it is.
It's heads.
We'd like to bowl first.
And
This is a really, really good game. This is what you want. 4 teams remain in this tournament. The first of the day-night matches today.
अशरंगा ये किस तरीके की बल्लेबाजी करेंगे ये हमने देखा था.
Himanshu Rana, been there, done it.
कौशिक का ये एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन फॉर्म में है. 15 विकेटें इनके नाम पे.
Yeah, fabulous numbers, career. Ball 1 of the semi-final, here it is. And on the money. He's been the sort of bowler that you can change games. Very accurate. If there's anything in the pitch, he will extract the conditions. Oh, breathing a lot better now is Ranga. There you go. Yeah, a little bit of a gap. Beautifully timed. Oh, look at this outfield. He just put bat on ball. A little bit of room outside the off stump.
ऑन साइड पर खेलने की कोशिश, बाहरी किनारा और स्लिप में देवदत्त पडिक्कल ने कोई गलती नहीं की.
Ashranga out for 10.
खराब लाइन. रन जाएंगे यहाँ पर वो भी 4 रन के रूप में.
Beautifully driven. No chance for any fielder.
जब से दाएं हाथ के बल्लेबाज आए हैं, रन्स पड़ने शुरू हुए हैं.
Beautifully driven. That's why he's not going to stay put.
No run mark.
आवाज आती है 9 रन की, लेकिन यहाँ तो 4 मिल जाएंगे.
That's a brilliant shot above covers.
Excellent. Top class batting.
That's very close and that's gone.
रिव्यू लिया है कप्तान ने.
TV umpire to director, we have a players review for LBW. Ball is passing underneath the bat, flat line when ball passes the bat, no bat involved. Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets hitting, you're on screen, signal out please.
48 रन बनाए उन्होंने 52 गेंदों में.
Oh, that's the reason he's playing for under-19 India. Doing Himanshu in the air. He was looking a little jittery.
तीसरे विकेट का पतन. 118 पर 3 हरियाणा. रन जाएंगे. हल्का सा मौका दिया हाथ खोलने का.
Oh, and another wicket, is it? He tried to flick, but ball didn't come as quick. But a wonderful catch taken by Devdutt Padikkal. Out for 10. 1-8 for 4. Haryana. It's up in the air, and another wicket goes down. Out for 8. 1-9 for 5. Haryana.
जिस विकेट की हम बात कर रहे थे वो सुरेश गोपाल ने लेकर दी अपने कप्तान मयंक अग्रवाल के लिए.
दिनेश बाना आउट फॉर 20. हरियाणा 159 for 6 now.
हाथ खोलने का जरूर मौका दे दिया.
Absolutely iconic, and he's gone. That's the reason why Prasidh Krishna was brought back. He's got the big fish.
पवेलियन लौटते हुए 185 पर 7 हरियाणा. और इसी के साथ ऐसा लगता है कि बिल्कुल
TV umpire to director, we have a players review for LBW. Ball is passing close to the bat. Pitching outside off stump, impact in line, wickets hitting, back to Swaroop on field. You can signal out, please.
Kamboj leaves for one. Yeah, that'll help him. Streaky.
शकी बड़ा हिट हवा में और इसी के साथ सुमित कुमार आउट.
Sumit Kumar leaves for 21.
हवा में शॉट, बड़ा बढ़िया शॉट जिसकी जरूरत थी. हवा में और इसी के साथ बल्ले के ऊपर लगी.
Flat batted. Australian Open is on and he's gone all the way. Has that gone for four as well? It certainly has. Another flat bat. Will it be two? Running hard. And they're going for two and they've got to two. They've taken some momentum. 198 for 9. 237 for 9.
बेहतरीन पारी इस जोड़ी के द्वारा. इन्होंने खेल की दशा और दिशा दोनों बदल दी है. 198 पर 9 के बाद 237 पर 9, यानी कि 39 रन इस जोड़ी ने बनाए, जिसने खेल की दिशा और दशा बदल दी है और कर्नाटक को दबाव में निश्चित रूप से डाल दिया.
मयंक अग्रवाल 49 की औसत स्ट्राइक रेट, 99 की 18 शतक है इनके नाम पे. देवदत्ता पडिक्कल 11 अर्धशतक और 10 शतक. देखना ये सिर्फ है कि ये लेग बाय होंगे. जी हाँ, अतिरिक्त रनों से पारी का हुआ आगाज. अंदर आया पड़ के तेजी से, बहुत ज्यादा ऊपर लगा नहीं है. जी हाँ, गए हैं रिव्यू के लिए.
TV umpire to director. We have a players review for LBW. Original decision is out. Ball is passing close to the bat. Can we have ultra edge, please? Pitching outside off stump, impact in line, wicket, umpire's call. You're on screen, signal out, please.
मयंक अग्रवाल वापस लौटेंगे 0 पर.
Finally gets his shot and that's a beautiful shot.
लाजवाब. जी हाँ, बेहतरीन तरीके से खेला है.
That's a good shot. Sigh of relief for Avnish Kumar, picked up and that's a good shot, bisecting both the fielders. दिशाहीन गेंदबाजी और नतीजा बाउंड्री के साथ.
up in the air, and this is what Vijay has been talking.
22 रन पर अनीश लौटेंगे. बेहतरीन शॉट. जी हाँ, चाहिए आपको.
Bowling his last ball and that's been heaved up. Will it go out? And that's the maximum.
Another 50 for Devdutt Padikkal. 7th consecutive 50. That's how good he is. He's in the form of his life. Oh, mighty hit. Where did that come from? For 4. Oh, streaky.
लेकिन सबसे महंगे और कोई मौका नहीं. 4 रन.
Beautiful shot that. Caress out.
और इसी के साथ अर्धशतक पूरा. स्मरण का एक्सपर्ट पर गए, पंच किया बॉलर के पास से और इसी के साथ दूसरा अर्धशतक उनका.
That's a beautiful shot. Just short of length and it was picked up and hoiked. And that's a tap on the leg side. Straying on the leg side and that's a tap. What a shot. Gets it in the slot. No, it's not a good decision. It is a good decision. Tried to hoik it and he's got caught.
86 रनों की पारी खेलकर कोहली लौटते हुए. हवा में और एक और विकेट का पता.
Srijit departs on 3 of 5 balls. लीजिए. हवा में 4 रन आएंगे यहां पर.
Easy peasy.
Got him. This time, a top-class ball.
94 गेंदों का सामना किया. 225 पर 5 कर्नाटका.
With that, that's the winning runs as far as Karnataka is concerned. And with that one run, another victory, a 5-wicket victory for Karnataka. It may look a 5-wicket easy victory, but it's not easy at all.
और जब फाइनल में प्रवेश किया है, वो फाइनल जीता है कर्नाटका ने. पहली 4 बार प्रवेश किया, चारों बार कर्नाटका ने वो फाइनल जीता, और अब 5वीं बार प्रवेश किया फाइनल के अंदर.
This is what happened in the first semi-final. Haryana batting first, 237 in their allotted 50 overs. Ankit and Himanshu playing a part, but nobody is converting those starts into a big one, and that's the reason why what Ankit was saying, they were looking for 280. That didn't happen. Abhilash bowling his heart out. 4 wickets for 34 for him, and Shreyas Gopal, who's the most successful bowler this season for Karnataka, chipping in as well. In chasing, didn't have a good start. Mayank Agarwal got out early, but Padikkal on one hand and played another scintillating knot of 86, and Smaran with 76, and Karnataka winning it by 5 wickets and getting into another final, 5th final as far as Karnataka is concerned.